for approval, I move for the approval of Provincial Ordinance number 2023-309, an ordinance establishing the Provincial Book Week Celebration in the province of Iloilo and appropriating funds thereof. Authored by the Honorable Vice Governor Christine S. Garin, co-sponsored by the Honorable Jason R. Gonzalez, Board Member Carol B. Espinosa Diaz. I so move.
So moved. For those who are in favor, please raise your right hand. Mr. Secretary.
Madam Chair, all members present voted in favor of the ordinance.
Based on the number of votes, Provincial Ordinance number 2023-309, an ordinance establishing the Provincial Book Week Celebration in the province of Iloilo and appropriating funds thereof, sponsored by Honorable Vice Gov. Garin and co-sponsored by Honorable Carol V. S. Espinosa Diaz and Honorable Jason R. Gonzalez, is now approved under third and final reading.